All right, we'll do one last one here, another inheritance problem. So Jason inherits $20,300 and decides to invest in two different types of accounts, a savings account paying 2.5% interest and a CD paying 5% interest. He decides to invest $7,300 more in the CD than in savings. Find the amount invested. All right, so once again, since the problem we're working doesn't have to do with actually calculating any interest earned, we can get rid of that part. And all we really worry about is 7,300 more in the CD than savings and the total amount. All right, so let's let X be amount in savings and X plus 7,300 equals the amount in the CD. Okay. Well, what do we know? Well, we know that if we take and add those two together, we get 20,300. Okay. Well, let's subtract our 7,300 so we get all the numbers on one side and all the variables on the other. So those go away. And here we get 2x equals. Well, now we subtract and we get 0, 0, 0. Now we have to borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. And then we have 1. So if we divide both sides by 2, x equals, now we take 13,000 divided by 2, well, that'll go in 6, that's 12. Subtract, that's 1. Bring down the 0, that's a 5. That's 10. Subtract that 0, and then we have 0, 0. Okay, so that one looks like 6,500 in savings. And we said that X plus 7,300 was going to be how much was in CD. So 6,500 plus 7,300, 0, 0, 8, 13. So that's 13,800 in the CD. Now, if we add to that how much is in the savings, 6,500, we should get back our 20,300. So that's 0, 0, 13, 10, 20, 20,300. That checks. And so that is the correct amount that we invested in each account. Savings was 6,500 and the CD was 13,800. And so that's all I have for this section.